clove, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum, is a widely used spice and herb that has been cherished for centuries. Due to its numerous health benefits and versatile culinary applications, this video will delve into the 10 significant benefits of clove, how to consume it, and where to find this remarkable spice. Clove is not only a spice that adds a distinctive flavor and aroma to dishes, but also a potent medicinal herb with a wide range of benefits. Some of the key advantages of clove include its anti-inflammatory properties, its role in dental care, its potential for boosting the immune system, its aid in digestion, its contribution to respiratory health, its management of diabetes, its effect on the prevention of cancer, its ability to improve skin health, its relief for headaches, and its use in aromatherapy. Clove is rich in compounds such as eugenol, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, making it valuable for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Clove is a traditional remedy for dental issues. Its antiseptic and analgesic properties can alleviate toothaches and gum problems. Clove oil is often used to soothe dental pain and reduce inflammation. The high levels of antioxidants in cloves can help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and diseases. Cloves are particularly useful during cold and flu season. Clove can aid in digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. It can also help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and gas. Many traditional remedies use cloves to improve digestive health. Clove has been used for centuries to address respiratory issues. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate coughs, asthma, and other respiratory problems. Clove oil can be used as a vapor rub for congestion relief. Some research suggests that clove may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin function. Including clove in the diet may be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Clove is rich in antioxidants, which can neutralize free radicals in the body. This can potentially reduce the risk of cancer and slow down the growth of cancer cells. Clove oil, when properly diluted, can be used topically to improve skin health. It can help alleviate acne, reduce blemishes, and improve skin texture. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective against skin infections. Clove's analgesic properties can help alleviate headaches and migraines. A simple homemade clove oil can be applied to the temples for relief. Clove oil is often used in aromatherapy for its soothing and stress-relieving properties. It can help improve mental clarity and reduce anxiety when diffused or inhaled. Now that we've explored the many benefits of cloves, let's discuss how to consume this versatile spice. How to consume clove. Clove can be consumed in various forms, each offering its unique advantages. These can be added to soups, stews, and rice dishes. They are typically removed before serving. Ground cloves are used in baking, particularly in gingerbread cookies, pumpkin pies, and other desserts. They can also be added to spice blends and savory dishes. Clove oil is a highly concentrated form of clove and should be used sparingly. It can be applied topically, inhaled for aromatherapy, or used in cooking, but in very small quantities due to its potency. Clove tea is made by steeping whole or ground cloves in hot water. It is soothing and can be consumed to relieve respiratory issues, digestive problems, or as a general health tonic. Clove supplements are available in the form of capsules. These are typically used for specific health purposes, such as managing diabetes or reducing inflammation. Now, let's explore where you can find clove, both in its whole and processed forms. Where to find clove. Clove is readily available in various forms in many places around the world. Most grocery stores stock whole cloves and ground cloves in the spice aisle. You can find them in small glass jars or plastic containers. Specialty spice shops. Specialty spice shops often carry high-quality whole cloves, ground cloves, and other exotic spices. Numerous online retailers offer cloves and clove products. This is a convenient option for purchasing whole cloves, ground cloves, or clove oil in bulk. Health food stores. Health food stores may carry organic or natural forms of cloves and clove products, including clove supplements. In some regions, you may find cloves in local markets, particularly in areas where spices are grown or traded. Clove oil, often used for dental and medicinal purposes, can be found in pharmacies or drugstores. Clove is not just a spice to enhance the flavor of your culinary creations, but also a remarkable herb with numerous health benefits. Its versatility in various forms, such as whole cloves, ground cloves, and clove oil, allows you to incorporate it into your daily life to promote overall well-being. With its anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, and digestive properties, As well as its historical use in dental care and respiratory health, cloves have been cherished for their many advantages. Whether you obtain cloves from your local grocery store, specialty shop, or online retailer, you can harness the power of this extraordinary spice to enrich your life and health. Cloves' potential for cancer prevention, skin improvement, and headache relief, along with its role in aromatherapy, make it an indispensable addition to your kitchen and wellness routine.